answering your question or anything of me.
I was just gonna be nice.
Calm, okay?
Here are 2 times when teenage Karens think they're go above the law. Let's start with this entitled girl.
Have
Turn
to
around.
push me.
Shut up. Turn around.
He can.
On March 5th, 2024, police received a call about a car crash and quickly arrived at the scene to investigate.
I'm on my way home. This gentleman in the white car's in the slow lane. Stop. The blue car is parked behind him. He's outside the car and he's yelling at the girl. And what's going on? I thought it was like a lover spat. And he says, she hit me. And they tried to take off.
Well, I got it from here. I appreciate it.
Have a good night.
You too. This one's involved? Okay. Who's driving it?
Me.
Okay. Who all is in it?
Just, me and her in that car, we just saw it happen, so we just pulled over. In case y'all needed any information or anything, we pulled over.
I mean, you guys can stay. It's FHP. So whenever they get here, if you want to stay for them, that's fine.
Yeah.
If not, you guys are free to go. You want to go to the hospital?
You can fake the injury real quick.
I'm not.
I mean,
But if you need an ambulance, an ambulance needs to come immediately, right?
You're in that car, right?
Yeah, I'm in the situation as well, and he just told me I'm allowed to come up here and introduce my statement.
To me, I'm gonna go talk
You
to
have a good night, man.
I don't want an argument start happening.
Okay, I'm right here. Stay silent.
Yeah, that's all I'm worried about. So EMS on the way. The ambulance, if you want to go with them, that's fine.
It's a $5,000 fee. If you want to know
I
that.
don't even care what the cost of
Yeah, go ahead, do me a favor, just pop back over there real quick.
What's your name, man?
You're not answering or questioning or anything of
I
me.
was just gonna be nice and introduce myself. Sorry.
I'm
You
not.
don't
Yeah.
have to.
Is
This ain't. Time out. This is not gonna happen.
Is she
You-
okay?
Are you
You
okay?
do me a favor real quick. Pop back over there.
He just paused in the middle of the road, out of nowhere, for what?
Okay, see, this is what I'm not gonna have. So do me a favor. Pop back
Now
over by
he's
your car.
claiming injury and he's totally fine.
Go back over your car.
Okay.
Before I make you go back to your car, I appreciate it. Are you the registered owner of that vehicle?
Maybe.
I'm gonna figure out. So I'm just trying to
My
get
father-
your driver's
my
license
father has
information.
his name on it as well as mine.
Okay, so your name's on it though.
Yes.
Okay,
it
cool.
does.
I
Those who witnessed the collision confirmed that the girl attempted to flee the scene.
appreciate it. So did you all see her driving?
Yes.
See her get out of the car?
Say again?
She didn't get out of the car. We saw her hit his car.
You saw him. You saw
Yes.
her driving.
Drive into the car.
Okay,
Yes.
cool. So I'm gonna work the crash now.
Okay.
If I need you guys to, you mind filling out statements?
Yes,
What we call
100%.
witness statements.
100%.
Okay,
Yes.
Well, I appreciate it.
Yes.
Because I'm working a traffic crash investigation that you're involved in.
Okay. Tell me more.
That's it. I'm working an investigation. You can't leave if you're involved in an investigation. Also, I could smell the odor of alcohol coming off your breath, and with your speech patterns, I think you've been drinking. So I have to also work a DUI investigation to figure out if you're driving under the influence. So absolutely, you cannot leave. Yeah, you can hang out by your car if you want to. Do me a favor. It's in part. Is it in part?
Yes, sir.
Okay, keep it in part.
I'm listening to you.
Do not move. Do you understand me? If
I know
you
you're
if
in
you
my
even
violation
make
here.
any sort of movement as to leaving the scene, I'm
I'm
gonna detain you.
Possession.
Yeah. So
Do you want me to get out of my car so you can see me?
I'm not gonna make you stand out here in the cold because
No, you
I
can't.
want to
You
be
can't,
nice,
though. You can't,
but
because if you're that scared, then yeah, you can't.
I'm being dead serious. Do not leave. Do not even make any
Why would
motions
I
to
want
leave.
do that if right
Because
now
you already
I'm-
asked me if you want to leave.
No, I obviously already understand that. So
Yes,
why
just
would
don't.
I ask that?
Just I'm telling you, don't. Okay. All right.
Hey, how are you?
Have y'all, did you already speak to the other deputy?
Yes.
A little bit.
We did.
Okay. Did you guys witness crash?
Yes.
We saw it happen, so
Yes.
we
Okay.
pulled
Gotcha.
over
Yep.
just in case y'all
We're
needed
like,
to.
well,
Okay.
we gotta say now, so.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Good deal. All right. Appreciate it. I'll be right back with you. Hang on.
After they slammed into my car, she pulled into reverse. Reverse. I'm standing there. She pulled around my car, drive the car down on my feet. On my feet.
She drove over your feet.
She drove the car down on my the cop that he came here and saw. He when he pulled up, the car was still on me, on my 2 feet, on my knees, right here. She drove the car down on me, and I'm standing there. I went as far as to say to her like, okay. She's looking right at me. Her window is rolled down. She's hearing me. I'm saying, okay, we're adults. Why are you doing this?
Police believe the girl was impaired, then he asked her to step out to complete some sobriety tests, but she refused, which only worsened the situation.
Would you be willing to conduct field sobriety tests to determine your level of sobriety? You would be?
No.
No? Okay. Go ahead and step out of the vehicle for me.
No, sir.
That's not a question. Go ahead and step out.
For what reason?
I just told you I believe you were under the influence of alcohol. Step out now.
For what reason?
I just told you, step out.
It's no longer asking, so we're going to tell you to get out of the car.
So
and
as
then
an
we'll take
American,
you
I
out of
do
the car.
not have legal right to do anything what I want to do.
Not right now, because you're going to be placed on arrest for driving under the influence. Thank you.
Don't worry about that. We'll grab it in a minute.
I'm good.
Go ahead and step out here for me. Turn around.
You don't have
Turn
to
around.
push me.
Shut up. Turn around.
He can speak to me like that?
Sure. Don't fight him. Just let him.
Nobody's fighting anything.
I'm just saying. So I know you live down the road. Do you have somebody you want to call to come pick up the car?
I've got somebody.
You want to call your dad?
Yep.
Okay, cool.
The girl was then allowed to call her parents before being placed back into the police car.
Hey, I got pulled over.
Where are you?
Right outside the house.
Do you want me to talk to her? Tell her what's going on?
You can talk to the sheriff. They got me under arrest.
Sorry to wake you up so early. I know probably still mostly asleep. So your daughter was involved in a traffic crash. During our traffic crash investigation, the other deputy here has determined that she is driving under the influence of alcohol. She's being placed under arrest because of that. So we'll bring your phone with you so that you can have that. You can pull phone numbers out of it or something.
Hang on,
at the
hang on.
facility.
Oh, nope. Can't have that. They would throw it out once I got up there.
Okay, I don't have a vape.
Did you ask for a vape?
You just asked for your vape. Why'd you say you don't have a vape?
Silly question.
Alright. Anything illegal? Any narcotics? Meth, marijuana, cocaine, heroin, hemp, or ecstasy?
I don't think so. No.
No firearms? No bazookas? Nothing like
I don't
that?
think any bazookas are in his pockets.
Cool. I would be impressed if you could fit one.
Me too. What the fuck? Damn, this is a twist of night.
You can have a seat.
Where else can I have
Either left or right.
Yep.
You asked.
You seem like a good man.
I appreciate that. Is this thing open or closed? You want this open or closed?
You kind of made them tight. You know that?
Yeah, they have to
Like
be.
they're fucking hurt.
They have to be tight.
They're really tight.
I know. You have small wrists. I can't have you slipping out.
Why would I do that though?
It's happened before. I'm gonna go talk to mom and dad real quick. I'm gonna leave you right here. Or actually, I may have had the other deputy do that.
Soon after, the girl's parents showed up, and her father seemed angry about his daughter being arrested.
No more talking, plead the Fifth Amendment, don't do any tests, blood breath tests or anything. You hear me?
But they are.
Listen to me.
Hey, boss. Real quick, if you don't mind, do you mind just standing over by your vehicle? Not while we're doing this. Just let us finish this first. I'll give you a minute to talk to her. Just give me 1 second. We just gotta finish it.
Interference is physical, homie. I'm talking.
Buddy, we're doing an investigation right
I
now.
don't care what the fuck you're doing, dude. I'm on a public. It's a private parking lot.
Stop.
Dude.
Stop.
Don't tell me to stop.
Go over to your vehicle.
Who the hell
or-
are you?
Go over to your vehicle, or you're gonna get charged with resisting. Okay?
Resisting what?
My lawful orders. I am telling you,
That's
we are
not a
doing.
lawful
I
order.
just did. I just gave you a lawful order. Go
Under
over to your
what
vehicle.
law? What statute?
Florida statute, sir. Go over
Name
to
the
your
statute.
Sir,
Charles, right? It's Charles.
relax.
No.
What was your name?
You're making a bigger
I
issue
didn't
than it
get
needs to be.
my
Go over to your
You're
vehicle.
making a big
I'll let.
deal.
Go over to your vehicle. I'll let you talk. Ma'am, go back over to your vehicle. I'll let you talk with her in a minute. Wait, whoever's vehicle. Go back over there now, okay? I'll let you talk with her in a minute.
Okay.
Pop over there, or I'm going to place you under arrest for resisting obstruction of justice, and then I'll give you the statute once I place you under arrest
I
for
will
it.
move, and I will file lawsuits on both of y'all. What's
That's
your
okay.
What's your badge number?
I will give it to
286
I
and
will give it to
287.
both of
What's
you.
your names?
My name is Deputy Whaley.
Deputy Barron.
So pop over there for me, please.
You guys got one for She's sick.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Sure.
The girl began acting rudely and even started insulting the officers.
Lean back for me.
Dad!
Lean back for me.
He didn't strap me in my car seat!
It's not a car seat, it's a chair.
Dude, shut the fuck up. You dumbass shit. It's the same fucking thing.
No, it's
I'm
not.
strapped behind my bar.
Relax. Hey, all good? Just hang out over here for us, please. We don't need 3 people going.
What's that?
Yeah, I said we don't need 3 people going. Just hang out behind the car. Relax.
What's it say about interference? Resisting is not interference.
What you need? I just did. Did you take it off?
No, I didn't. How the fuck can I take it off?
Because you can still reach the seatbelt from there.
No, I didn't take it off.
Okay, I'm not putting it back on right now. We'll put it on later.
Do me a favor, raise your right hand. You swear to affirm everything you wrote in here is true?
Yes, sir.
All right, let me get your signature. Where it says your signature. Right there.
I signed already.
That's fine. If it's good, I'll swear to it.
Okay.
The woman was charged with DUI and destruction of property. For the DUI, she could face a fine, license suspension, or even jail time depending on the laws in her area. The destruction of property charge might result in additional fines or restitution for the damages caused. Everyone has their opinion, and the viewers who commented below this video are no exception. Now I see why she acts the way she acts. The father and mother were just as immature as her. Crazy how there's people like this walking around. Their trailer park was quieter that night. The lesson is that refusing sobriety tests and acting disrespectfully toward police can escalate the situation, leading to more serious charges. But if you thought this case was bad, then you don't know the case of this girl who attacked a customer.
Let me put the seatbelt on you.
On February 4th, 2024, police were called to a family-run grocery store following a physical confrontation between 2 women.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
How you doing?
Fine until what happened.
Say that again?
I was doing fine until what happened.
What happened?
Well, I walked in here, and the first thing I looked at was the Hello Kitty stuff, and this girl comes up and says, "Are you looking at something and help you look for something?" And I said, "Oh, I just walked in here. I just started looking if that's okay." And then she walked away and then immediately came back and said, "Oh, I was just asking. You don't have to be such a about it." And as I was walking away, I said, "Oh, I was just trying to match your attitude." And as I'm walking away, she's like, "Oh, we're just trying to tell you that, because your lipstick's all messed up." And I said, "Oh, okay, thanks. So it's your face." And my back was turned. I was completely walking away. And she comes up behind me and yanks down my hair in my head. And then I fall to the ground. And as I'm on the ground, she's like yelling, like, "Can't even say anything to me." And then she hits me right in my face. Unprovoked. It wasn't even, my back was turned. It was just strange words, and then she just attacked me. And it's just not okay.
Where is she at?
She's my daughter. She's crying. She's crying. She's in the back. I didn't see what happened, but she told me that.
There's all those cameras.
Yeah.
Where did it happen?
Right in front.
Right there?
Right in front of the,
Like right at the doorway here?
In between the registers and where the Hello Kitty stuff is. She just came up and behind me and yanked my
We should have cameras.
head
Yes.
and I fell to the ground.
Yeah, I didn't know what happened.
While I was
I
on the
heard.
ground, she still continued to beat me down.
How long has this happened?
Oh gosh, I don't know, maybe it was like 20, 30 minutes ago now, I'm not sure.
The mother then led the police inside the store to review the security footage of the incident.
Hello Kitty stuff. Okay.
It's happened right here.
Did
Nobody see anything.
Did
We
anyone
just
else?
heard the word exchange.
anyone see anything?
I was here. I didn't see nothing.
Okay, alright.
No, that's what I think.
Did anyone else?
Nobody see anything. That's a problem.
So your cameras record right here?
Yeah.
They got some face in there.
Are you able to pull up your cameras right here?
I'm asking him to.
Okay.
Yeah. Because they exchange. I think she's on some kind of medication, so I got to comment her after she drinks. She feel a little better. But I think
I just want to clear your daughter of anything
of
wrong
course,
doing.
of course. That's why
yeah.
I want you to come here.
Yes.
You know, she said, I want to charge it. I want to sue this, sue that. But it's very, very odd.
Yeah.
Because
Where is your daughter?
Yeah,
she's in the back. Because she's crying too.
Well, can we talk to her too?
Of course.
Okay. Well,
Yeah.
while you get the cameras and everything,
I have
we'll go talk to your daughter real quick. And
Yeah.
Get her
You
side.
say this way?
Yeah, this way. I
This
told her
way?
to go to the
She said
car.
this.
Sorry. I never been here before.
I was about to go that way too.
Sorry.
It is kind of like a whole big market.
Yeah, I know. And today too, I say, you know, this is my money making day.
This is your money making day? What color clothes is your daughter?
She wearing a jean with the jacket, jean jacket. Not jean jacket, but it's sweater.
Okay, yeah.
Blue. That's her. That's her.
That's her straightening up the Hello
Yeah,
Kitty?
Hello Kitty, that's her.
Okay. What color? What?
She's right here.
What? No. What color? I'm trying to think. What color clothes she have on?
Yeah, black.
She no, not the daughter. The
daughter.
the other lady.
I don't want to say this, but she got up here.
I know, but we still have to see. We still. I mean, you have the video of it, so we can at least.
Over here, and then we're watching the video right now.
The officer approached the daughter and asked her to step outside to give her account of the incident.
Okay. How old are you? 19. Okay. Let's have you step outside here, and we're gonna have a talk. She's gonna make, Step right here. So, what? Tell us what happened.
Can I have my mic on?
Yes, go inside, Mom. She doesn't want to talk in front of you.
So what happened was I went up to her because I work here and I'm in customer service. So when I came up over here, I asked her
We're going to speak over here, okay? We're going to get away from everybody. Comfortable as you can get.
And she basically said Chinese people never give me a chance to do any work or shop around, and I'm not even Chinese, so I took that as racism, and I really don't tolerate that at all with my family because I know it really affected my mom back then. So when she was racist to me, I just started. It just escalated from there. After she was being racist to me, because after she said the Chinese thing, I thought she was being racist because that's how I took it. She said Chinese people never give other people a chance to shop around, and then I said, excuse me? And then she said, yeah, I said it. And then I was in shock for a little bit. And then after a little bit, I thought about what she said. I came back, I said, okay, you don't have to be about it. Just because I asked if you needed help or anything, you don't have to say anything about it. You don't have to be racist towards me about it. And then she said, oh, I wasn't being racist. It's just true. And then that's when I told her.
The girl began to cry when the officer said she was going to be arrested.
Well, you're going to be placed up on arrest, so you got to turn around.
No? What's up? Come on. You realize what you did was
really wrong.
Okay. Alright. How old are you?
I'm 19.
Alright. Have you ever been in trouble before?
No, never.
Okay, calm down.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Calm down.
Yes, sir.
I'm not, this is what's gonna happen, okay? Alright. You wanna go take a ride? Okay? It's just a battery, alright? Your parents can come and get you out today.
Okay.
I need you to calm down. Okay? Alright?
Sorry.
Alright, we're gonna walk over to my car, so we're not gonna do it right here in front of everybody.
Okay.
So I need you to be compliant and I need you to be calm about it and be a big girl about it, okay? Alright? And we're gonna be humble about it and everything, okay? Alright, cool. Let's go. Alright, do you have anything on you? Do you have anything on you? Anything on you? Do you have anything sharp on you? Anything that you want you to keep with your mom? Anything like that? You want to keep jewelry with your mom or anything like that?
I'll keep this one, Mom.
We'll take it, alright?
You want to take your necklace?
You want your necklace to stay with your mom?
Yes.
Okay. Alright. Alright. Alright, well, we're gonna give you a chance, okay? Alright.
I don't know how to take it off.
It's fine, it's fine.
I'm nervous.
You're just nervous right now.
Listen,
I'm sorry.
I understand.
I know.
Alright? Like I said, it's not a felony. Alright?
I'm so scared.
Alright?
When she was racist, I never had people be racist to me.
Listen. You can use that in your defense, okay?
Yes.
Unfortunately, statute doesn't protect that, okay?
Yes.
Okay? Alright, here, we're gonna go over here. Alright, just come with us, okay? Don't run off, don't do anything, don't okay? Alright, let's go. We're gonna do it out of sight of everybody, okay? And we'll explain to your mom.
You have my phone.
Yeah, we're gonna give you your phone. It's gonna come with it. Okay. We're gonna do this away from everybody, and then we're gonna get you out of here so no one sees us. Okay.
No transportation tow.
Just 1 second, okay? This is-
Stay calm, okay? All right. You're good. You don't cross your fingers, right? All right. We're gonna let you. Is that Dad too? Okay. We're gonna let them talk to you real quick, and we're gonna explain to them what they can come do right after this. Okay. All right. All right. Just search real quick.
Yeah.
I'll talk to my wife.
Her stuff is on the hood if you want to get.
The girl was then placed in the police car and taken to the station for processing.
I forgot I put it up
You
here.
can get the numbers out of your phone, all right? All right. Is she all good?
Is your phone off? Yeah, she's good.
I think, oh, never mind.
How do you?
You hold it.
I'm gonna turn it off because to save the battery.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So when you get out, it'll be charged, so you can call your parents. Okay.
Well, once we get in the car, so we'll get in the car.
The access, you put the access on, right?
Just have this. Let me put the seatbelt on you.
Go in there. No, we're gonna go in there. We're gonna do the name. Give it like about. So we get there, and then we have to grab the affidavit real quick, and then they get it. And once she's in, she'll be in the system, and then we'll have her bond. Which
Scoot up for just a little bit. I'm gonna grab the seat. Grab the seat. Scoot. There you go.
You go to the window. Yep. And then Orange County. Yes. Orange County Corrections. Yeah. Booking. Yes. Yeah, booking releasing center is what it's called. But if you type in Orange County Jail on Google, it'll come up. Okay. So I'll explain to you what happened. Okay. Since you're a mom. So I guess she's claiming that she said something racist to her, which caused her to do what she did. Unfortunately, the statute doesn't allow that you can just feel bad at somebody.
Absolutely.
Okay? So we explained that to her. We're trying to keep her calm. That's why we went and put her handcuffs over there and talked to her.
for that.
So we wanted to do it over here.
The girl faced a battery charge, which can carry serious consequences. Depending on local laws, this offense may result in a fine of up to $1,000 mandatory anger management classes, or even up to 1 year in jail. With such a crazy situation, the comments that followed after the video was released are also noteworthy. I liked the mom. She seemed like a good person and business owner. If a customer is rude or abusive, just tell them to leave. No soup for you. Typical Karen. Throwing rocks and hiding hands, crying with no tears. Even in heated situations, physical violence can lead to serious legal consequences. Hope you guys enjoyed our video, and make sure to subscribe to Blue Detective so you don't miss any satisfying crime content. We'll see you next time.